If we consider the current market stats, the global crypto market cap has exceeded $1.23 trillion. This is a significant 32.34% surge from the same time last year. On the other hand, if we consider the trading volumes of crypto investment products, they have experienced a massive surge of 127%. And why not when even the older age group has started showing interest? 53% of crypto owners are aged 18 to 34, and 35% are 35 to 54 in America. One of the reasons why crypto trading platforms like Luno, Kraken, Revolut, WazirX, etc. have started gaining popularity. However, creating a cryptocurrency trading platform like Luno is not easy. It is a complex process that involves a combination of technology, legal compliance, security measures, user experience design, and much more. In this video, we will embark on an exciting journey to create your cryptocurrency trading platform, just like Luno. We will walk you through all the crucial steps and considerations, from ideation to launch that we follow here at Blocktunix. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of what it takes to establish a successful crypto trading platform. Step 1. Market research and idea generation. Before diving into development, it is essential to conduct thorough market research. We analyze the crypto market trends, identify potential gaps or niches, and brainstorm unique features to help you set your platform apart. On top of that, we don't forget to touch on the importance of compliance with local regulations. Step 2. Assembling your dream team. To bring your vision to life, you need a skilled and dedicated team. We remain clear with the key roles we should consider selecting the team, such as developers, designers, compliance experts, and security professionals. The strength of your team can make or break your platform. Step 3. Navigating cryptocurrency regulations. Understanding and adhering to legal and regulatory requirements is paramount. We delve into the complexities of cryptocurrency regulations worldwide, including KYC, Know Your Customer, and AML, anti-money laundering, compliance. Failure to comply can lead to severe consequences. Step 4. Choosing the right technology stack. Selecting the appropriate technology stack is crucial for platform development. We explore the options for front-end and back-end technologies, database systems, and blockchain integrations, keeping in mind the scalability and security. Step 5. Crafting a user-friendly experience. The user interface and experience can make or break your platform's success. We consider intuitive design, responsive layout, and user-friendly navigation very seriously because we understand that a seamless UX is vital for retaining users. Step 6. Fortifying security in your crypto trading platform. Security is non-negotiable in the crypto space. We will cover security best practices, including encryption, multi-factor authentication, cold storage for assets, and regular security audits. This enables users to trust your platform with their assets. Step 7. Wallet integration. Wallets are at the core of cryptocurrency trading. We will explore wallet types, including hot wallets and cold wallets, and the importance of secure private key management. Ensuring the safety of users' funds is what matters to us the most. Step 8. Ensuring liquidity in order execution. Liquidity is key to a successful trading platform. We dedicate time to order matching algorithms, liquidity providers, and how to strike the right balance between buyers and sellers. Step 9. Building trust and community. Building trust and an active user community is an ongoing process. We'll discuss strategies for transparent communication, customer support, and community engagement. Happy users can be your best advocates. Step 10. Testing and quality assurance. It is imperative to go for thorough testing before launch. We cover various testing phases, including unit testing, integration testing, and user acceptance testing. A bug-free platform is essential to avoid costly issues after launch. Step 11. Launching your crypto trading platform. Finally, it's time to launch your platform. We'll discuss the launch process, including marketing strategies, partnerships, and onboarding the first users. A successful launch sets the stage for your platform's growth. Step 12. Iteration and improvement. The crypto market is dynamic. Continuous improvement is key to staying competitive. If covered in the deal, we will consider the importance of user feedback and feature updates to stay ahead of emerging trends. Building a cryptocurrency trading platform is a monumental undertaking. Still, with careful planning and execution, it is possible to create a platform that attracts users and stands the test of time. Moreover, a partner like Blocktunix is one of the key elements that can help you fulfill your crypto trading platform development venture. For more information or further queries, feel free to reach us by clicking the link given below in the description.